Hi, today I will explain about how to create the void family. Okay, first of all, I can just go to select my wall. So I have to create one model. Okay, so here I can choose any walls. Right, I will, I can create my wall like this way. Okay, now I can choose the floor. I create the floor, and after that, I will create my slab. Okay, so I create my slab. So now I can go able to see this 3D. It's look like this. Okay, right. Now how to create the void family. File, choose new family. Okay, here you have to create the model of the family. Okay, so I have to choose the metric generic model. Okay, here I can go to choose void, and here I can create my model. So shape I can create. So I can choose my circle. Here I will create it like this. Now I can create from another circle somewhere here and another circle somewhere here. This one also here and this one also here. I just create it. Now I can go to get the split. Okay, I can choose the split command. Now I have to connect. So this is my shape I created. Okay, right. So this is my void shape I created. I can go for activate. Now I can go to choose my 3D view. Okay, I can just click to drag the face. So this is my face. Can go back to my front elevation. Can just lock, and I can lock this one to here. Go to 3D. So I can go to cut center. So now you can able to see this one. So it's look like white. Got it? Now I can save and I can load into project. Here I can choose this one to create the void. So again I can go to choose my east elevation. So I can able to apply this one anywhere. See, Now this one, it's cut that void. At the same time, you can go back to choose, and if you want, you can cut this one in the slab also. If you want, you can apply the floor also. So any angle, anywhere, you can able to cut this void. So this is the way we can able to create the void creations. Okay, so how to create the void family and how we can able to apply to our project and how we can able to utilize that command to our model. Okay, so I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you.